Jai Baba, welcome to a series of A Slice of Life. My name is Meher Yusuf Bharucha and today my father and I are going to be discussing certain issues that most children, teenagers and adults face. Shall we start? Okay. Lately I feel that external physical beauty matters a lot. Although internally I know and have been taught that internal beauty is most important. But I can't take my mind off external beauty. And in that, I lose focus or not be able to give time to nurture internal beauty. What should I do? As I find that boring and outer beauty interesting, but I know it's not right. To clarify, this question is not from me.
Okay, first of all, there's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong if external beauty matters to you. Okay, it's not some grave crime you have committed. It's not some vice. Everybody wants to look presentable. Everybody wants to be appreciated. Beauty and the externalizing of beauty is in, I think, every species. Forget gender. It would be wrong for me to negate external beauty, especially in today's world where everything is about show, everything is about glamour, everything is about how you look and dress and talk. So, grooming yourself, I think, is a very important thing.
I agree because before this video I looked at my hair 10 times.
Yes, so grooming yourself is a very important thing. I don't look down on it. Don't look down on it. Understanding fashion sense, color combinations, the trends going on. Beautiful, great, nothing wrong. Giving it the most important designation in your life, making it the most important thing in your life, superseding kindness, goodness, compassion, that is where the problem starts.
Many people are completely about their
Obsessed. Yes.
Like they forget everybody around.
That is what I am trying to tell you. The problem starts there. Also, there are a lot of people who judge people on how they look, on how they dress. That is wrong. Being particular about your clothing is fine, but downgrading somebody, making fun of somebody else's clothing is not fine. You may have or learned great makeup skills, but to laugh at somebody else's makeup skills are not fine. So what I am trying to tell you, Meher, is it is all right to pay attention to external beauty. Nothing wrong in that. But it should not supersede your very fabric of decency. That is all. That is all. If you can maintain the balance where external beauty has its place, but it does not supersede the real important things in life, I think you're fine.
Many times when we go to malls, in restaurants, they have lines. So some people dress up in those really nice suits and straightened hair, makeup. But some people come in very simple jeans and a t-shirt.
Yeah.
So I've seen, not in all restaurants of course, but in many restaurants, the person who's taking the name, automatically the way they present themselves to the person changes. Hello ma'am will come out very nicely to the person who's looking very
That is
posh.
what I'm saying. That person has started giving external appearances more importance than being a decent human being. And I don't want you to get into that. Don't judge people. First of all, don't judge people whether how they are dressed or not dressed. Don't judge people. And obviously, where human beings are concerned, A fancy car, a good three-piece suit, a fat wallet makes a huge difference to people. It makes a huge difference to shallow people, not to real people. Real people don't get affected by all this shit. Okay? I mean, look at the greatest human beings that have ever lived. Sai Baba of Shirdi, Meher Baba, Mahatma Gandhi. Such simple people. I mean, in their dressing, in the way they went about, but look at what giants they were. Right? So, yes, be particular about how you clothe yourself, but don't get completely obsessed with it. It'll make you a shallow human being. I just don't want you to become a shallow human being, that's all.
There are many people who look good, but there are a handful of people who are internally great.
Yes. See, I believe goodness is in everyone, but other things, overshadow their goodness and they fall prey to these other things. Peer pressure. I just had a call around a few months back from a father who told me that, I just can't meet the demands and expectations of my child because my child goes to a fancy school and he wants to wear the same shoes and the same watch and the same clothes as all his friends. And my child is such a decent boy, but he's getting sucked into it. Why? He's getting sucked into external stuff. So I think first of all, every parent has to understand this before the parent can teach it. Most parents themselves are caught up into pure shit. So what are they going to teach their children? They themselves give importance to, what a fancy car, very nice jewelry. Obviously the children are going to follow. So the issue is, I always believe one thing, 9 out of 10 times the issue starts with the parents. The children just follow. That's it. चलिए वहाँ बंद करें. Okay, Jai Baba.
Jai Baba.